Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black House Diaries.
Okay, great.
Mara, Jesus zeneta zvikobona.
No, marati aungabona manje.
Oh yeah.
Lobva so gizi.
Na lingobva. Right. Yeah, so I was still saying welcome to another episode of the Black House Diaries. As no count at 31.
Episode now it's so easy.
37.
39, 35.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
So man, you say I don't greet you today. I'm gonna start by greeting you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
And yeah. Why no you did that look?
My friends actually listened when you said that because no matter I'm just going to text you, how are you? And why?
It's true. Oh, go to killing on the newcomer. Sorry. Hey, Laba Onena. Film Urumedisa. I'm like,
life is too short.
Exactly. Imagine no fun getting a good morning.
Hey, can I like
you
get what I'm saying?
Exactly. So what
can I come and pepin it go get or something? Like why go to manare? Kanava said the vice upon no read about it's not important.
Exactly. That's an initial number
straight to the point, guys.
If you go to me, Irani high, ni rappers,
you
go high, igumene, ponamine. So
the high in there.
No, hey, as comic as so we're coming at you live from Lens Hub Studios for one in Newtown. Email ya wundi Lens Hubs ina esepanda hub lenshubs@gmail.com, or you can contact them on 073-372-2094. I'm sure kushita be prepare. You also go it fast. No more unavailable materials. I'm like it's obvious.
You were giving.
So ndiko funa apply ndo pa number phone the personal.
What was strong?
What
was strong? You texted guys.
Yeah, man. So that's what you're cool, man. No one
Yes, hey. I saw the wedding.
That's so cute, right?
It was very cute, eh? So I wanted to know, because nobody knows the Riverview, your sponsor a mini venue.
Oh, the venue page, isn't it everything?
It's everything, right?
But
this is on it. What's in what?
2939. This zone.
Ha.
Bakurisha in this zone.
This is personal gun. DM1F4.
This is personal. Okay, guys. It's like as it's on. Nichi the Texas the director. What do you do? Call David.
Yeah,
so yeah.
I have a strong episode on TV. Erdoba pecha. Erdoibeya. They make a screen.
So no, so say I think that 400k covers everything.
Oh, baby, win a 400k, and obviously venue. I'm thinking the woman 150 and whatever inclusive.
I think,
and then Vabana rock. Oh, Mara, imagine if they didn't pay a cent. I think they didn't. If you pay 400.
No, but then here's the thing. Ila 400k, dear meanie. Like wakumpo kauto dauni ako to done dress, the cake, say the suit ya Chila. It's funny how Chila wa Chila. I thought it was just Chila something.
Really?
Not, yeah, not Chila. Obviously, what do you mean the card?
This is sponsors. Now, I was about to say the same thing. Or I feel like.
Why was your number? No, here's the thing. No number for me. People want to hear what she say. So it's better. People have been saying, "Kato vizerera."
Chichi machi weird mar. Kacha mere.
Ako reminuzo.
Ureminuzo.
And what deep? Included in the 400k.
Yes. Maybe or not. No, there's no maybe. It has to be because 400 is we have. There's no way.
Yeah.
Hailan too don't want as the package usually it's like 150
in
a so there's no way. So I'm sure 400 you have a price you be won't even able divori. Ngangoma but they have one mutu wa roko happy minus
yes, what they did maybe probably boya betantu fimini va partner rasa watwana beta minyanya va amount to 400 bari umntu no the winner we need to decide
we have an event planner as well dombona ulamzana ako post ningaona uri naye offer
event planner ndi
dom athi mdibi tsina
eltisana oba mini event planner
no one post you underscore post I don't know.
Oh, remember izuvula bindu.
Ngami?
No, Eltisane because I know her from singing, and then I was like, oh, we don't want to. event organizing.
Mara event organizing, you just need to know the right people, for the right prices, and then you're an event organizer.
And then mark up a price also.
Yeah,
it's not just finding
and
the
then
right prices.
Finding the right prices and the right people come out whenever don't disappoint because this at deco, it's on you. You are the event organizer. So finding like reliable people and
Mara, I feel like here there was no such cause, but what they were on board.
You know one thing about service providers, they will disappoint you whether you're on board or not. Naching the one ordering and the queer river you must win. I mean, service providers are just always late. Nifansa pesesi zamani murungi in is ni bore uri suti amenga. There's just always something at service provider. I don't know what it is. That's why you need to have a date here before.
Nish kama za murungi also naga dapo ndo za uturi maybe my wedding's on the 21st of December. Okay,
but they told us 20
and then I realize ori comes nari ndwas the 15 no okay ndwas the 1 of December probably. Somebody wakotiwe runga na anasema ananga 27 za November. Why ndisoko pa na mean
kana liwana lira below scope ngwa dzipin.
So my question is like now kwatha no one island too.
Mara now na ini nichiko yo chata ningasto wani kutola kota. Kwambari if you know abukurchuisa.
Ora begime. Richiko recorder. Ka laptop. Yeah.
Oh. So it looked very nice. Ndo ibona ya yonaka. And honestly arebo wana zothenga mahala. Yo, I then shame. They got married at the right time, eh? Nyanya wa dura. And komborbo bana malaki bo wina.
Right time kamba. Ori suzimara. Aga amfi.
Hako nushimsa Mike.
No, it's not that. Nditambela pasi. That's one thing I've realized nje. Are is a panda. Oh, I also saw the thing. What is it? Yeah, traditional msachkweswa hayani.
Oh, I didn't see that part.
Never na TikTok.
Okay.
Which is where I'm going now. Ori, what do you think of people? It's your wedding or it's your anything, any kind of event that you have. Ndiyam anga konuta misa phone na minti. So people are taking videos of you. Namtwena mayara. Or at that so that you get to like post what content those ones. They're definitely gonna post it probably. And then now what never invite. They are there posting. Na ini mnantu kona chipenga chozi poster like comes into China cake. Rono trend or no jinisa na mi. What do you think of that? Because I was like, hey.
Personally, I wouldn't like and a lot of people do that now. Remember, didn't we talk about it Ruamakadzi?
Nah, I'm gonna ask. Oh, yeah. There was some I think was some easy.
Because also it's not just about Uri, but no Jenisani. My chat is namsi rari, but what dobana the iPhone as what one can afford. More of doesn't put my camera, and now it looks like my makeup was bad when it wasn't. So I think it's a bit disrespectful unless arena for dining moon. Take pictures of yourself, not Mara una batu bane. Afuna uri batu bafode minyanyani yabo because that's the content they want. Bakonyanga ila hashtag Chila words Matevhu or Wapa words whoever. Uribe ko trend namzi wone bakadichata. Bachivwa wone ba number 1 or whatever. So baba ko for zidolenga zomsisa sure drop but they want to trend. They want you guys to know about it. So una batu babi
like I feel like batu nende delazori fumi phone isongo jena.
If not afford
because ndido ngani kutsazwe mara na visa na rena ndu tuano zvezvo
ndi inamba yaba yocha
so kuma na visa phone na
bako nitira take away na yayana
na take away nche one okay
because what do you mean neti I feel like the phone thing and the kids for me that is a exception kana ngecho chipinga ndaba ndi mkomano wakana manu wakabana ngwana mtuku out on about opera shaka that kid is not coming.
I've been saying this thing. I feel like
no, because it's fact. Oh yes, mukeguru
mwana phone. Like
unless already amukeguru ononga bakeguru ba shuba modern. Vane udobo ambara. Mara atinga siri no ibona
mukeguru murani wako no ambadziwa.
And
don't. Unalake vane
vamwenda. Vane abakono zwa kacho babudzura pasi. There's always that old woman.
Nyanga mukeguru ngusubona. Obviously you will have to be there.
Yeah.
Mara bo kamusi
mara zizwa umakuru wanu bado ambadziwa the part. Problem ni mungana wa makuru wanu kana mneighbor because she's coming, she has no budget for a champagne dress. vha khou ḓo sokou ḓa hanefhala na muṅwenda na tracksuit nga ngomu ngori ḓo khou rothola vha vho dzula fhasi
It's funny how ndi khou nyana na hezwo
vha ḓi adzela tovho fhasi
kha tshidulo
vha na muṱoḓo and then now the whole show is about her and I'm like you literally could have just stayed at home
exactly.
and then now it looks like we're not respecting
now
old
hela video ne ra
people
khou amba ndiyo nene vha ḓo vhona yone ne ri tshi posta kha YouTube zwa muthu yo vha downloadela ava vhonisela yone
kana vha si vhone ngori it's not like vho dzula vha khou vhona zwavhuḓi anyway
a ḓa khou vhona uri ṅwana
A vha tsha vhona. My chat is avhavheliwe zwiḓamba zwi siwe hayani and stuff
vha ṱoḓa hei noni yo ṱanganedza makoti a tshi ḓa it's fine
hangi u vho sokou vhilingana thi ndi vha ndi khou hayani
Wo
that's
ṅwenda
okay
thina,
wu
mina
ṅwenda
au
and
dina
vibes
nge. So hey
yeah I think vha vha hone hafhaḽa thi ngo vhona vhakegulu na vhana
phala na I think
And
na
I
vhakala vha vha hone those modern people that you are saying
Yes.
like mukala o ḓi ambara suit o ita zwavhuḓi
Yes.
like na ḓo no vhathu vha contained a vha khou tou sokou vha khou rembula vha dzhia 3
vhudokotela vha
minutes
vhone
I don't know
yeah thi ngo vha
Thuso ro
vhona uri
bless
o
nga.
malisang yeah but then I really love the color coordination like it was beautiful
black and white
and the bazana that's champagne
nice
huh?
so
It looks like what hedzi hey color dzi rokho dza vazana dzadzi hey color and then the guys were in black and white it was beautiful man
yeah oh and then also I wanted to ask you Femini na the guy wa MC upfinyi Tsonga Cedric
yes Cedric Tsonga
na ri nayo vha nene oh yeah so I did ask you ngwa last una ingo partner wana ko China ti I just like maybe let me ask someone maybe una ingwe point of view ya nena ine ri ko China so ri ko chat I mean maybe na destroy za shinga mrawo and then just because you're the MC na ko dani ko China na nene phala na mic ni yakono China is good marabo if zwingo soro plana vori muthu wa video u ḓo itisa so ri na ri ko China ino no dipanga na mini don't you feel like those people they overdo too much chimwe tshifhinga vha dzi MC not even minyani fhedzi fhethu hunzhi
okay maybe I did to attend zwithu zwinzhi zwa so mara as Cedric Orala I think with him is an exception because people call him for that if him I don't think with Cedric it's about what he's saying I think you know bathu vha to muvidzela yeni ila part yo jive
yeah which he can eventually or after but not buchikolo china wo rine vhavhili
mara ni vhavhili fhedzi
ngela part ya to khamusi afi kha u ḓe uchine ni first dance ya film first dance ya wona nango ḓi china nefa la ḓi to na mapiano nyana afori ni mini njanga ya tena mapiano aba khou
thaidzo ndi yeneyo yo first dance I could hear mapiano it's supposed to be vo if feminine
preferences ya pambana
because okay aumbule ti uchi kulidza comes here
uko ḓi phamsela
so amazing we want to so amazing comes we are only for first dance what diva you guys don't know so amazing oh my god how old are you guys
yeah just
oh my word but anyways it doesn't matter ndikamba nyimbo dzinonga dza old school dzine dzashumiswa for first dance I don't think una muthu are kana achitobo mentally disturbed angadava ko jive yete ka rimbo ralawo so also first dance to rala out first dance ya mapiano because what do you guys
yeah,
mean?
that I know.
Yeah, it's very intimate, it's slow, it's nice, you guys are talking there to
would you kiss in front of your mom go their first dance
and Rono kiss and now already come you may kiss the bride
exactly so una ya ila msinguro china
ringa doba
I'll never let you go
ringa doba why not
ela iva 2 minutes ngo china
yeah why not
komlicha
ari bone vano kunyonga sidza fasi wadza pasi timnyanye ndwanga okay but I don't see like
yeah.
so then shole munonga mnyenyeni wanga
sama vona kuti twa
ukuthi utwa because even le balona kobela ka reception are ba go fa pepo ka ba ya because so what must happen
so reception okay itwa ndipfesise lapse kuso kupfanga nende yapo zvinepe zvavizvi yavipa usiku
mara ngangomu huna dzi light zviva zvonaka ndiri neri kushuta zvino so usiku and we're coming out well
people never know rushuta maseri kana madeko
exactly because light is right in tea remember vela vetu vona lights they are proper I've always wanted a night wedding since I was a kid I've always wanted a night wedding in a red dress
don't invite her do you know what I was thinking ndikubusa buso not funny if you know
okay
are you going to invite me to your wedding yes or no
yeah why
so here's what I was thinking or what I've been thinking when I think my chair episodes I'm wrong or chiri one an intimate wedding 100 people are enough na mean but then these two zvine ndachidizvumbura before na rine chizvamo and then I never zvipa ndingo ndaza siko joke wangazo oda mumwe msidzana so because tu nani uri unyaka 200 mini unyotolwa na rine vhathu vha dzi kereke ndara nṋe thina na nda vhathu vha ḓo ḓi to ita wavho kerekeni ri ḓo ḓa ra showa face ngori minye
Vada ra dzula phanḓa.
ra dzula phanḓa na mini so nṋe nda ndi khou mumbudza uri nṋe nga ḓuvha ḽe SK tsha tshi khou vhudzisa uri ini songo ya nthu munyanyani wa nthu a si mungana wa nuno ane wa tia bra yanga
Okay.
kuchati na mani khou ra tshifhinga tsho ḓi nthwa na mini
Uphi mungana?
nṋe tsa ḓa gai
Oh really? Vha dzhena na kereke.
ya this was kerekeni and then nda ndi khou mumbudza uri ngori
Mtolela le tshilisana naye.
na ine ani mdi no chilidzi tirazeka ranozeka chilidzi veni yapfeka chilidzi ori
Okay, arita
chilidzo invite mnyanya ndo rani bu chilidzo ndinameti zviambe zvipere chilidzo invite mnyanya wawe nne ndichibotuwa ndichikwa Joburg because I was in Venda and then akho iri mnyanya kudowa lini because ozviamba nthu because akoropedziswa zvadzilobole from mafungo abathu
nichibotuwa hani what do you mean nichibotuwa nichibotuwa kwa overseas
no ndono plan ori
ozo muno lengo invite wa
because ambori mindila zvo akopedziswa lobola
and uplena mnyanya ndishipinga chilapo zvamuno tolengo budzi
no abazi mnyanya remember
ndosibona mara it look like a celebration yana ya
lobola celebration then akambori
uku-invite na kerekeni
exactly akuto invite avo vathu ngachipinga chantu okay we can invite people mara ari kumbozvishura family mara unodavo nthu tshelede dzaso ringa invite na then amba then chipotowa ndari haringasichakona mara I'll see you guys when you come back
no ya
ndachoona kerekeni amfonera mulova kori ndikododa lini chendari ndidoda ndikumuzvipera mara
good people hey ndikodomloya baby shower ya mumudzana tituona mwana akakufara 3 4 ende udzura petu ready upfuka ndicheuko petu like
mutanzwa mwana it's fine
ende umrekera chibai chikaitotola tiwa
chochibai ori andikozamulo chimwe chipinga ndadhibusori am I missing these weddings cause ndikozama kukata vatonododa kanori achiziva ufana nesongo dhakawanhuvo ndotoni hangwa nami cause here's the thing ti chinoendera vandikochimbira kuinvita vathu ti there's always a relationship yanona mumwe muthu so natomoitira zori wapfa ndiyamudhiva nari ndonovona naniwe say anavo wafa namgona call naniwe
ndaniwafa hasi then too
atomodavo biyo zvitoisa so zvavo black just because riamba navo kantu naka Instagram nami so I was like
I think ndototi yotoramberiwa because I feel like I'm like that as well. Also the catch with me is probably getting married to a person that's not as social as I am and I then have 5 and then did the 995
so
kayokorodamia
wena antuzodiva zozvitu kana hatu vaone
uchiloviringana
okay
no uzo like okay azviyamburi mutaina kusisana ingozochata naye
tizvino
ne I've never
what are your intentions with someone's son
intentions are pure intentions are pure mara udhiva mudzimu but okay I guess mara niyazvidiva uri neti umburi marriage ngoraro it's not close umburi nwanga mara kamuzi lingodhiva ndidovhuwa ndapfa ndikozvitama mara so far I'm still chilling
man take your time nichemutuko
ndochataveyo vaulwani
ndimurikana naye
netiko yagopfeyo yaadhirete yoripe mara ridolwa namashaka hey we're gonna fight with a lot of people
mara the word is going out there each and every episode
ngandani hayezvoti kana afindolwa namashaka nanchingadhirwa navo nga zvimwe zvituvo
exactly
so ritopedza roho asikunolwa kamunyanya munyanya wanga wanaka album yanga iva yonaka
and then alwa navo less visitors in your new home
zvemburi kwine ndiulwa navo eli
exactly
arirwe zvino
so hey and then here's the thing also I was thinking ti nga pasi mnyanya kani nyangomba zvimwe mnyanya unazvo naona what stood out mnyanya tatopira
what stood out for me the decor stood out no what do you mean why are you laughing no the decor really stood out for me with okay I'm gonna be honest ne namsindari Matevhu ovonakerera I feel like she always looks like makeup. She's always so there's nothing. Oh my god, she looks different. You know, yeah, she really looks like that most of the time. But she shoots the video. She's got makeup on. Ambarazi weave. So for me, yes, Maraningari. What stood out was the production. Yeah, the video and how things were done. I saw Nazi violin and Falana. I mean, it. I feel like the entire wedding setup was beautiful. Chila uvakare am to a kereke and sutu. So I wouldn't say, oh my god. And I mean, there was nothing new.
And then niggas somebody makeup.
Uyorichuisa.
Surprise. I'm like, ooh, okay. Yeah, something like that.
No, but yeah, the decor and everything stood out. Shout out to Riverview. Hey, they made it beautiful.
Yeah,
I was thinking what comes in the Jamara, but we need about those hits as you
I think they went all out because they
went
knew
all out.
Where is gonna go out.
No, it was beautiful. It was gorgeous. I loved it. I think Maravenda and Petro chatted, you know, don't you think? I bet what Riverview did, Kalari can do it and Lira can do it too. And they Bazita and they fun and even. No, I think it's just I don't think una reason your chatted and better. We can literally do it at home now. We literally have everything.
And then yeah, true.
But I just, also, speaking on events, I just think Venda events are just doing so well. Have you seen the parties that are being hosted now? Zavana. They even have, did you see Uri? It's usually things you see on like your Real Housewives of what. You get it. So I think events wise we're doing well. We're doing quite well. Nothing when I for one did the Venda.
Oh, someone next year ka Venda. No, not next year.
Why? Ati fune conversation young one.
You're going part.
So
yes, hey, Rambanga ordination
I don't think you can maintain a straight face.
Why?
Let's try it. Bishop, come over. I don't offering a Sunday. I'm coming to church. Oh no, that's you. Sunday. I want to see something. I want to see you maintain a straight face. I don't want to see.
So it's fine, man.
Okay, let's move on.
Now you're current. I remember last year, Mizo actually read unto. Not actually read. Actually, I'm about the PhD. Oh
yeah, I remember we spoke about it.
Yeah, so I was actually thinking, whenever I was in the awards, I was coffee. If Minila award dinner. Yeah, lifetime achievement. I mean. Yeah.
Your vocal better.
Hey, vocal better banayo.
Vocal better way.
Okay. So I was actually thinking, with the things that Mizo has done, because we can't take it away from him. Mizo is good and is big Venda. And it has to be now we should go feel now it was Toma and then was disaba to Radisbon. So I was actually thinking, how about I didn't get Royal Garden so alright. Tuned into the show, yeah, Venda. I mean, they're celebrating 10 years, now I got 10K. So I was celebrating
10 years.
10 years. So how about also Mizo already? If a movie is a performer, because he did post to Rdobonana. And not really an award, dude. Like something, a plaque, I don't know, or rather, either way, I mean, Mara. Chotom honor, this is Mizo Phyll, man. Someone I never can come. Maybe Zotu and Matunga last year, allow Rango invite you, and then also and PhD.
What's your numbers first? No,
funny.
No, just speak fast, man.
You don't even say if he metros this obviously remark of this Mizo. It was like now we're the Wisa stage, you know, a trend. No ways.
No, remember over man tapas over there.
As you open went, as you know,
damn, that's another show.
Over Palas and white, black. Actually, let's talk about that. Who get them palabit? Is it fashion? Michael Jackson has
it's mara
he's invented this Michael Jackson. Who is a song Michael Jackson? So now we have our Venda Michael Jackson.
Mara Michael Jackson over 40 years. Mingwa
Mizo now gonna 38.
It's over 40.
I got 40. Wait, yeah, what do you have 40? Because
I should have as a problem.
No, not 39.
The 40.
Because I'm imagining Achko Renga show. I bet we are mine. So
no, I had to let you wear 30 minutes.
Mara
Man,
yeah,
I feel like Mizo always does this. There was a time, Kare, 2016, a world explosion. Do you remember gig of world explosion?
yeah,
Ichi tuanga no.
yes, it changes it. No,
Mutswiriri,
yantuni
Mutswiriri,
yeah,
yes.
tina ya
Yeah,
gumba
well,
five.
Fistos was Wanga, which is the black coffee.
Eh,
It was
ndiona
during that time.
ya gumba
Because
five.
I remember seeing him ako do performer. Ndita shpunga oduma obuyeda ngozwa dzikhala
Eish,
zvamabuzi.
mabuzi
So he
ya
always
khala
does.
khala.
He always
Kadema
does.
mbula.
I think comes in the PR manager wa Honori.
Somebody
It's
bucks.
time to rock.
Somebody bucks. Mizo ndobe na buruku.
Kaka
their feet.
Kawambariwa.
Kambar.
Abva kochibura wambara kamuremburo.
Square boy ububu hani.
Mizo charibara bukomanya apa. Afiti zone zone koto.
Womashala kabambe na bucks mara.
Aba mina tika simuomba.
Nika mara sabandi kwa snap. Swingasite.
But don't say.
Mizo.
Rory Dija.
Do you wanna
This is
go
for marketing.
Do you wanna go platinum
or not?
Okay, I will write your name.
All right.
Eh,
na tequila
chibaji cha black chimanya fono. Hayi, ndoshimza just kwa boy.
Ronole.
Because we the guys.
Mizo nimfana washo sorry.
Mizo,
Lo arega ruwa. Anu zubiti ncho zumordo no warukhatula tsara ruwa.
Zigigini ti.
And ngava rwesa ndikuita karatu zvi. Because what?
So no man. So I feel like yeah, Real Garden should do that. Oh, and then also
That would be nice.
Wako launch a lineup on the 2th August.
That's next week, ne?
Next week Friday. Yeah.
Can't wait. There's the truth. What do you reply on?
Lineup ti.
Uri duval ne ya drop rini ri ku iamba. You get it?
So kuma.
Yeah, please give us the
Anambara badifa jobeka at the Rimu interview. I was able to get the whole thing.
Hey, that would be nice.
Exactly.
That would be nice actually.
So yeah, every minute. That's it. Nazunge. Zonda siya.
Rikadia hatu ni contact uri kweka na ruko yana.
Omfonela ko romozeza lineup. Uri muratwanga ndo fashi kwamba ngentu.
Oya chemeza bontu.
No, I feel like
oh, ini ngono.
No different.
No pasavo.
Mara muratwanga ila nturu iko itanga zitu. Mara I just saw it ozwi poster na ori. The tools and to ido iko launch a Venda. Musurudzo. So yeah.
Nice.
People who know about Venda should go there and all that. So anywhere in Venda.
Thursday night.
Either
way no drop it. Oh yeah, great.
No, either way is to drop.
Either is to drop and this too.
Oh yeah. Ni aporo yo maziko.
Out your time matanga biwe.
T.
Angas bari muri mtika 10k. Muti. Arena makruba strong bane. Abala makruba strong bane village no boduma bo mutu. Aunono pfuka, aunono barumerisa chipfuka. Ungas bare muti ka 10,000.
Kara 10k na muri mti. Jamuri. Ziko challenge safe zote.
Ngoto amburi. Nikomba ezobure. Banga siro you. Ndidombo ndikobya iri ngo podcast.
Yeah, so ni amburi no bya iri. So I wanted to ask you also thing as a couple fights they've been happening a lot ka Facebook. So I was like, when the guy Max again I mean I think apparently yesterday there's another couple you have called and
yes, you want to vendisa badibi so I can't follow.
Na to diva kechi chiva chikombuzo oh this is Maxwego ite mina that oh okay nice and here's the thing when I'm a group ka WhatsApp bro edi ona office pa one Black Z so
ni went so ngopangyo
Zambo you know talented uyanga we mutu ati divi zwana
ino pangiro mi
ana niti divi no pangi wati ndani yosendera nyi message kana ndasenda ka group ene ichikanziva then I realize 5 minutes later no hope akupindula
nichiri ena olore hai
now delete ndichiko delete unamdo ono reply yawo auto swipe so ukadiva hon what va papa zakuma like why so kala group una Maxwege uchikwamba dzindo dzinomodiri ngai je video waswa poster Maxwege mtsadzana ukuita ntu ukordina ka Facebook ani mwatendina na mina
uba kulwa like couple fights and then mutu adamburi munanga oita mini
so mara the couple had to fight.
So otoburuliwa mwe uri your man is cheating or something.
Your girl is cheating. Ufe
ndili ula mutu muzana wane is she dark onamba chingoko semana it's not that one hey na Facebook nditogava ini zvitu like
so yes and then also mrowana wang so here's what I was thinking Uri what do you think of these social media fights in South Wood because national dinner tinchori vakodolwa so
Vavuyelelana.
vavuyelana so
You look dumb.
besides rine we look dumb we also now
No,
look
say
at
we
them.
look dumb. You look dumb. No, vuyelana.
Oh, hava
Tino
like-
dana ri vudza uri o cheata na
Hey.
semana na ri hey hatambi no tamba ina dafura
Nanya
wana na muthu
kudeneko
asa tambi.
also. Uri, okay, zvamu
And we
nomela-
are just like okay
nomela
naini
the
ane
same 2
tambi
minutes,
then
inani kuri mini
in 2 minutes noodles now we're just like okay
nomela ntuni Kellogg's
every night that's you every night so
so there was a out of our zuri okay record up katavatu there's a chance we're gonna fix things and then ravierana now research about the bad people on the public platform.
you know I think for as much as social media you've read about like a platform or about how they feel because for other people when they speak they feel better ne?
Yeah.
But I think we're overusing it now like if you go ka podcast dzote dza ka YouTube ngandani hedzi dza zvine rava ri kutodzura ri kwamba vati una own narrative una owami ndi vatu vanogodzisa mapungo avo and then hadha wa munhu hadha wamba his side of the story it's happening all the time.
Do they come to the podcast or vatosenda
vasenda message vasenda message uri this is my story ndikunyangodwamba so all our own narrative woda kwamba uri ene munowe like she doesn't get along with the in-laws now she wants the house like petty stupid stuff mara ngori afuna mapungo avatu it's fun right
yeah, true.
we listen to it but
I
then
like
I'm
that's why people
thinking
watch the Black Couch also.
yes and then havana wola mwe wori wodaka owami are the husband or sacrifice one of Nigeria. Did you see it? The Nigerian husband sacrificed with the child. The husband saw the thing. Said of the story. Do you know this person? I just want to ring younger when she comes back. I love her more. And I'm just like, now. Niva niko zvito because any automatic TikTok niva niko zvito maniko nyangonyerisa the other person mara there's no uromara na radzura uma 10 years auna shwishti changa nechine ndonoita chine if you say it is going to tarnish my name because ungazibhale chiti tamba no one is perfect so I'm just like people are sort of like ruining their own thing I don't know because ubvapo neti vonongari una muthu wa professional kind of for as much as if you're in a corporate space that would want to work with you if your information is out there. I
feel like people also forget that. Or social media, we are everywhere now.
It's everywhere, and life is digital now.
I saw this other thing. Ya mumzana ane aniwa. Interview. She was successful. Maracha dokono hero cause is it Facebook or Instagram account private?
Oh, I forgot Zumba mini. Mara basongoto kai vule public because they can see.
The moment they come to you and say vula njambori ndokono delete na kono ivula. So now they want to see what's on news.
Mara, that's bad though, because
no, it's not.
No, it is.
Because they're trying to protect their company. Randi are because protect a company. So what they're gonna do now? Because remember, not that okay, LinkedIn irushima drop. I get it, and then. The next post what focus on matamba the feminism all these things zinosokolwa na vana usokosema now they're like okay maybe na ngotomo besha also na zimwe company they're like okay
where you used to work or whatever
what fat was Mudau sarachite so it's best
I get that part I get
so
that
I feel like
part.
that's why they do it
because fesesa mara for you now to not hire me because I'm private I get if you don't hire me because you saw something bad mara for you not to hire me because I'm private is unfair
mara yes the thing is Cabo is like
you wanna maybe use Instagram or whatever unless if I'm private mara so now because I'm a private person I can't get a job because I need to done a war or no time. Yeah, you are just leaving because I'm private.
And
is your account private on Instagram?
Not private.
Yeah, where you private?
I
don't get people that are private on Instagram. I don't
anyway.
Get it. Instagram because I'm just like, oh yeah, so yours is public. I'm like, yeah, it's on Instagram. So you just accept anyone actually.
No, yes,
I'm there for people to see what I'm doing.
Yes, what happens? I think you know not private. See? It's usually people they have this following yanati. So ba poster they flex all that. So uko do poster uko do renga gure na musi. Okay, namti mta public. Muna tumani uko renga gure na musi ti. I'm there private. So for you to see the car, ningode tumana request or follow. Whereas if ndiko go okay, what for renga gure nikash kanda jana profile anda evo. I'm like, oh, okay, nice. But then urena again followership yao. She has to like make okay one gore he has to make into or if you private but request follow the increase
now do you agree with me if we say the mutu ane zvembo the followers ina deserve
Yeah.
Because if you come to my profile and it's public and you like what you see, you follow me. Not that I wanna go to we on a page interesting. You're gonna unfollow me immediately after that because my content is not interesting enough.
Exactly.
So
Or
now,
even not follow
so
at
you are
all.
because I don't get it. I'm like, my boy, why do you want me to come and request just to see stuff that you are posting for people to see? If you were so private, you would have stayed on WhatsApp. Because okay, guys, that's just my opinion. If you have your other explanation, ngapasi niwane muthu one hana na content ya interesting. Udre matsina muri but
private. Ana chinepe chiti. Cha grade
kana
4.
asina asikuita zva interesting. Like hana content, hana really camera way VC mara private and you're just like and you're like, what are you hiding? No, I love the woman I'm becoming. And now ngachigochirina maveve. Just kidding, guys, jokes. But I'm just saying that I really don't get it because I feel like it's a public platform.
Yeah.
And why would you like why? I don't want people to see me. That's basically what it feels like. So yeah, it's kind of weird.
So
creepy.
Yeah, I mean, also back to couple fights. If mean on I used to watch them live in South Africa. Street and boat revenge.
Okay.
So this other couple. So apparently warenga guru both. Because ambe andiko kakati warenga guru both wamzana okindin the 9. Arerenge guru inampa 50,000. Naska rarenga guru. Uri wamzana uri 2 days later atiyoska ichinja madzina ari guru ikayo iyote. So and then vali chana. And then later zvinosvikosara zvichibva muzana wakuhambuza uri hai man ini ndingasivive into PlayStation yakaka city hapo nini ungagoro ine aningoita nthu asi anonothe ndiyashorothe
ola konorianga mara zviyakonadze
yeah joint
what hey so I want to ask ndakonyangopfesesa zvone uri mara zvino ari roirenga rari ndiyashuri vaviri zviyakonadzira muti yayo change mumwasiyo
uyanga zvina tishow mumwe mutu confirm ati goro yakondorenga watu vaviri ive aikamadzina mutu muti chipinga chothe ingana bedo biliwa petu different no lan ngorenga chito online afi mtu shipping address billing address so either iswa petu ingasi shipo petu bili mari yakono bila umwe petu kana umwe so ndizvo zvoiteya zvamboela kuti yo mushaya ngori kamusibo ndigela idhivi chitu afi ndikorenga madzina
kadinari divination chitu
afikadisana basi zeti wa unokuzokuisa masikozokuvewa azikuita
osiya golo ini adigenera ita zvakano iva yachikwamana
so yeah
oh man that is sad mara nichisvika karelationship nenarenga golo ini vaviri
kapati nenarenga golo ini vaviri
okay zvimwe zvatatu though
oh fiwa na tatu now
oh damn it gets worse it gets deeper than that
so yeah and then what else
I would love to love like that
Mara, thing,
I'm sure zviyatakadza
remember when you're in love ti anomburi kudoita chimwe chitu although nichidozori zvingakaditeya ti andife soma zvenda homuna chizvona suri now here's what maybe could have happened ini nikola okay ndawana chikoro sakatori ngowana 10 and then ngowana 10 ti rina 20 rari why rikorenga guri mbiri atorenga nti kati rikono travel around if road nena mkonorenga skori there are shooter there the value clock all these things are going ngagore nti simple as that mari yango richiri chana hela guri I view party it was a guri nti so ndiye zvine zvaiteya so I was like damn now what vakufuna nocherenga into zvino
I was about to say Uri, I feel like hila face yamse riko rovojola you were in love. Don't you think it's a bit demonic? Ni mini jolo shudera bazkweta. Jamba 3 hours rosko imisa menenje. What is that? I don't know, but think about it. When you look back you're like no, I would say that it's crazy. It's like
I mean love is
why did I do that? No, that was a bad decision. So I blame. I feel like love is so
love is so beautiful and you don't
love is demonic. That's not beautiful.
You don't think of anything Nika love and then it's like damn
it's demonic. You are possessed when you're in love basically.
Why does it have to be possessed?
Because your mind is not working the way it's supposed to. How is it a good thing?
You're just happy.
Nobody else exists but that thing is crazy. It's not guys it's not
normal. That's how love should be man.
Mara tattoo songoita
ndichibona vanhu vari kuona votambe apa.
Okay, mara tatunitsongoita guys.
Why not? Ini niko karantu. Yeah.
Mara does it okay. Transaction ikuine katatu.
No, tatu ndaro wafapo ndiyavha ndongona
miri. Now you are forced to do something you don't want because aunorini nani kwethoda yeyo. Now you are forced to have a tree kachanda kana chigoro.
Yeah, remove tatu ti
laser. It's painful as hell. Jipiriswa ngori keep the car. I'll buy another car in a couple of years.
Nah, man.
Okay, but anyways, guys, funa nani hey asina mona. You guys can go ahead.
Let me read this thing for you. There's absolutely no way to tell if someone is still a virgin from the hymen because they come in different sizes, shapes, and some are born without it. Some lose it during activities such as cycling, horse riding. Funny,
yeah, horse riding. Damn. So she did ride.
Dude, can I continue?
Okay, so
horse riding and gymnastic, and it can still be intact after intercourse. Dr. Siyamak Saleh. So I think there was this other video ka TikTok and I won. Ndizame muloti abazana amazulu bakho celebrate okay ba virginity testing.
Abala bane baya mara badzi club host makwan bayitolwa memulo ayana.
Endith mamunga mara.
And I'm just like
so the guy wa dokotela oyashka the stitch elazobva part abakhamba view after he was like there's no way you can tell if mtu akadiba virgin because of a hymen. Is there another way besides the hymen?
I don't think there's another way.
What's a hymen?
Mara mukikulo mvenda ngani budza. Ngatobosadza chirete changu. Ari inono toma zvavatu kana.
I know these videos they're like when a doctor this means I'm still Hey masula kwatile. Obviously.
Ngori baba kokwatela uri ende itelwa mona mumwe hela ntuna vatu vanondozvona
uri. Because that's their pride. Hey, umembulo ndi pride
yabo. Mara na rine yashu asuye company is it not the same thing?
Not anymore. Mazulu
no, comrade, it used to be, right?
Yeah, Mazulu akadeba deep into memulo. That's what
Mazulu, they're still deep in everything. It's Tembu as well. They just don't want to adjust.
And then someone was like, this is a conversation many are not ready for. I was like, actually.
Mara, that's true. Okay, now I hate that we have to talk about this and their parents. Mara, but they are strong.
No, I feel like parents should know or diva.
Nandikonyaga ueda uri. Zvifanana zozula you can tell if your person has slept with another person. That thing is crap. There's no way. How are you gonna tell? If the person if she cheated last night,
oh, you mean
and
the
you're
game?
like, hey, and you're like, that we ended those there was someone here. It doesn't work like that, Maga. You're like, no go to bad. You better go diffura and I don't and we're like, there's no way because the thing is natural. Naturally, they're just it's not the same size it's just how it is, you know. It doesn't matter what happens. So you can't now say, okay, I can tell virgin because the size is what. It's crap. The same way not so everyone bleeds when they lose their virginity. Not everyone bleeds because you the baka size.
Did you?
I'm still a virgin.
Oh.
I mean,
no,
I might bleed. Might bleed, might not.
Wait.
I don't know. I'll tell you guys about it.
Mara, don't you think it's one-sided? Because I feel like everything is just against the girls. So,
very well, Virginia. Hey,
mean, ufunaona ingwe sign ine kamsi mabuzi atoma hapa. If
Vetsena dona batagabaji babuzi otoma hapo. Na malecturer. Na malecturer vetsa balichitu. Bana vetsa balichitu eh. Na don't want mabuzi out. Na medunza. Mutu na don't mono ndo badokotela mabuzi achibotoma umuva. That's the only time they start getting sex. That is why vachinga vapenganyana bono vamadokotela and they're like womanizers because they're too busy studying. They don't have time yojola vachitopasa vachitorenga kula kubm kwa first entry
kubm kwa sifako what
ndikwamba zvone uri ndiononi vava kutomojola phela that's why vasafareto
mara at least mntu the container man just like you
ndifareni ngotindifanira for marriage.
Okay, here's the thing. mavhijini oteka the panda kerekeni ndoya
ndi virgin why ndingadzula
ni doyana
ndi doya
wani kotoba chicha voice
atikupesesa uri ndori I'm a virgin na dova nari hafi ma virgin kade ndi doya ini ni doya
chane ndi doya
ritari totangana panda zviyambona
no twa ubizwa ngane tinde funzi
na ini ndotsa stage ngande imanta nari bathu kama de panda ai nasa imama la panda zvamani virgin nawe no imanta
yeah then I'll go down I don't mind
it's fine
yeah,
arite I'll call next week.
Oh yeah, I need it.
Yeah, my veggie.
Yes, I also saw the thing. Thing. Wapanya Lusufi. Wakambodori. They constructing a speed train between Gauteng and Limpopo.
Okay.
What do you think of that? Do you think it's dokona there? Yeah, to before that take the advantage. Not really to Samina. Do you think it's dokona there just to knowing our government?
Shingaiti in the next 20 years. Baripo kwenye ngozitari. Buamba time frame.
Okay, here's the thing. Nation that divan zuri. Muntu achamba plan. Kambe for 5 years. Ini adwaka in office.
Angasi ambe zvinodoitia azvingosiyana mumwe mutu.
Because it doesn't make sense. What am I possible? Actually, the plan for 2040 is where are you gonna be? Itani ya near 5.
I read the baby steps. That's in our ituku. You know.
So that it's actually maybe one way in it they try to keep office. Because if I tell you, I'm planning on doing this construction near speed train from Gauteng to Limpopo, and then 5 years there we chikopera. Now I niko tumobona so zinazanga ziko tumobona lanyana. Kana na bona
asko gwamlindi.
Agwadindi other we tsimbi nyana zo kalo. Chiporondi chingapana. Jamu they've started something. So let's vote for them again. What I mean. But they attend. We continue food na project never home. So I was like, that's how politicians actually
that's probably what they're doing, eh? Mara yayo ingasibe project ya 5 years kana 10 years.
Maybe it could because maybe already no one today. Na railway line. The one from Joburg to Messina.
Mara ushumanti for
Jamuru doba Mara it's always been like that. Although it comes to modify pala na pala.
Do you think so?
I don't know.
Ni bononga chiporo cha ntu chefana cha Gautrain.
Cha Gautrain na chantu.
So that's fine.
Chafana. Cha Gautrain na chantu chafana.
Then why Eliza Gidim?
If you
na you are rizika badanti.
Ndia kareti. So to modernize was it's very heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy.
Yeah, so
then all they need to do to the train.
Probably that. And also may take the rails, of course. So here's my thing. Why compare to the Vuko da a speed train? What's the number of Gautrain? Gautrain in fast blind.
Or ibe aba the room Gautrain ya Venda. Lim train.
The film train.
Imagine.
So ukuma itova kana if how limp do you connect us
okay if how limp imagine navani kuruska hinga ma 3 hours Venda
doesn't do that Luisi mara it's fine
uvaluisi 30 minutes ringa kondelela uvapo abo una khau bus kana limp bus yeah 12 rand
nzakuma ngori ndi randa ubva Gauteng station uya ngona
uya and then uya Venda comes yaba ubga 150 ndingadzande yani after work
zokuma Friday mara zvasvika ngavaturi that's how
not even Friday lelo duva ndamyaka Mudau cha
that's what people are commenting ori yato then to whoever is going to go home na means
zidopunguzana the accidents
exactly wakama zidopunguzana the accident
imagine like the Easter the heritage the long weekend ungapungudza yazvo zvinji hey
and azuri no mamse uchivalwisa ya Venda do tangana kurezo dara we still have to catch those buses ratwangawo
mara zvaitira vasizviite vachikuitira ulanga toll gate hey because abe zidopungudza zigoro dzarabadana
no mara there's probably some tariffs nezabhadhiriwa through railway already yadhurela nto Gautrain already ndi 3 point something ngamwedzi basi Venda mshingo bada 400 ubva ska Thando every day
yeah that's true
so yeah they should
true.
Man
abaite nditopenda
maybe problem is speed train idoba udoti upitwa kavara cause speed train achigidimi petune aungo kavariwa mostly you see Gautrain yagidima ngangoma underground mara none mene chivenda yagidima 120
waniona gay
nende cheka ntu
ndachipanga panda ye ngapha sibe kugidima mina
hey kugidima boma igidima between I think it's between Marlborough and Senten
hapala
une abodaka zvabukuma for chipinga chilapfu because ingasite farani what if umshumo mo
Oh, it's ndipatwa Wi-Fi yanga tokubvesa. Hello?
Turn on speaker.
Hi.
Oh, rumushumo turn on speaker.
Ndobva ndibusangeyo.
Come mic.
Anandiona uhamba natiniko ndikufona from Metrofiber.
Okay, ish ndikadiva mushumoni nyana. Can I ukutochaisa ngachipinga nde?
Ndinochaisa kare.
Oh, zvamburi angakona kudova amufonera in the next 25 minutes?
Yeah, it's possible ndomfonera.
All right, sharp, no problem.
We're live on the podcast.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, udobudzwa later.
Yeah, so
Havatu vashuma vafonera muzi vochaisa.
mishumo yava vaini mimwe. Ina kutambisa foni ya mishumo namsi.
Ngami ndandikotonifonera ndikonyongonipa ka business. And that's not my job, eh? Ndandikotofuna uri ndi offer from drop.
It was giving halazana vatuku vazintena vogurisa ala magara ane ana 30 akushuma kampani asadivi chitu. Kavhure wedeb. Voguma mwara CV chikatira zvongorwa so curriculum vitae.
Curriculum komona. Happy name, race. Ati gidimi.
No.
Nobody wait me race ati gidimi.
So, yeah, man. Yeah, so that got oh yeah, how tell they gidima. So maybe probleming at the way name. But it's making color.
Mara they can make it work if they wanted to work.
Exactly.
If it was possible in Gauteng, Limpopo, as Ndianepa.
The thing is, Panoka do pizza in face. Because at Katbaka face 1, it's supposed to be 5 faces.
Really, come in Gauteng.
Since 2010, because
that trip in Ranamedwa how train is what carries
guy.
Ndo danga trip yeshke varuna made how train. Ti rauch roda. Yeah, cheap as a part of what? Rota garesa.
So hey, I don't know, man. Like
no, let's wait and see. I remember benefit of the doubt.
Man. Yeah, so and then also another thing, last thing in Chamba Tatuvara, it's about trans people. Not really, yeah, trans people actually. So apart from transgender, transracial, we have a new one now. Not very local. So these ones are called transable. They are born fine, but one identifies disabled, so they do harm to their body. So I saw,
the chair.
Nah, not about depression. Or the cat, literally. So there was another instance is this other lady and Odishada AC Dimatoni, so that she goes blind. And I wrote blind on one.
How blind? Because what? Because what do you mean?
Like yo,
what does the water into? What is this?
They like Shangoli was normalize. Okay, before she continue, there is other guy who feed date right stuff.
Okay.
And they are sending us to bad natambe. They go all numbers are controversial bad. Wow, Shimana not Trump.
Okay.
So this guy, how come Mazore to fin? What thing Joe Biden?
Yeah.
Uko Vaka campaign or runner for president next year. So people are saying we're gonna vote for the lady and not too. Or at least she's gonna be a woman president with me. Then that guy was saying, it's funny how nah kushapo. And the people said it's funny how we are able to identify gender, which people down to the role with us or to first black president we are female mean. That's what I saw. Then I was like, oh, that's Jamboree. You know the gender. You guys just don't wanna say it
only when it suits you.
Exactly. So like, okay, what could fit into?
Unless if it's them, you just go to your president. It's a her. It's a female.
She's a female president. So I was like, yeah, that's actually what happened. So Shangola Shino was doing a
yeah, everything is being.
When I saw this, I was like, this no way. Or identify as transable. No, identify as disabled. It's like
handunya ngoshumiwa ngori nadhikata is not everything you can do hako yangorumiwa uyo mtu ukavoid rumiwa
zvino mato hako yangobonani
hako yangorumiwa naye
like no
ene tiva baby varuma kayojera remote ativoni simple yeah our world has just become something else and
like mamona wana right eta chimwe muchinafa kufuna
it's how we are normalizing and ndobona are you watching Born into Fame?
Not yet.
I was
about to ask you, what should I watch now?
I'm watching it. It's mwana mwana pala ukwamba ngori u depressed. Oh no, being
money
born
though.
into fame and abanana chirediano balabana. Being born into fame,
Una mwana
you are
wani
expecting
I
una
saw,
wa ata, una
Tiffany.
watira, ba ata ndi babiri.
Ndikubuza chimwe chichamba.
Azania,
Charobi malinga.
Charobi ligwe.
Chione.
Chione, Robi.
So unanyi?
Junior, ba ata ndi babiri. Una wa Azania, Shamiso.
Mm.
I didn't know Shamiso till the show. Imagine.
Basa ndide vai chifi owami.
Owami abana wa mtukana, ufinyo mtukana. Ndangwa dzina lawo mara ya. Wa yena naye bad.
Yeah.
And then there's Waringo, Pila.
Oh yeah, Pila.
Malingozi.
White Dolls.
Yeah. So baba like I think waferera. Baba kwambura no watira no mwamba. Yeah. Baba kwambura no nduri like niso people always judge you because they want you to live up to like your father or whoever standards. So I'm like, okay, if a rich kid and anyone watira is depressed because uko bayro richer standards zakho tsiyawe, habana a poor kid. Eh?
Zipani. A rich kid kobelo richer.
Buzz. Osana mukwa palaza. Then I
drop the bar.
All I need is pens, honey. All I need is pens and a bit of falling there and there. A couple of falls.
Niko in air.
Let's play that video.
Niko
Listen, we don't have time.
It's only 3 minutes. Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
let's go.
Push it. Let me cook.
Push.
So what I'm saying is, I don't have a lamana about depressed ngori. We expect to be fine about baby bubble, and then there's us who come from normal backgrounds, or let me say other kids that come from like poorer backgrounds. They are also depressed because they can't reach wherever they want to reach. Then dinye ana kotiyoba normal. Then because basically everybody must be depressed. When there's money, you are depressed because there's too much money. When there's no money, you are depressed because there's no money. I feel like this one McG was saying, Uri, and we've had this conversation before. Or sometimes it's not depression. You are feeling the way you are feeling. You're just having a bad day. You're just sad.
Exactly.
You are anxious because there's something you're.
Sometimes at some point,
so I don't want to look down on depression again. But when I was watching that thing, I was just like, those kids were finding a reason to cry, bruh. They wanted any reason to cry. Yo, bruh, growing up, it's bad when you go to school. They're like, this kid can't fail because no one will ask them. And I'm like,
what? I feel like I would fail better.
No, and the maran kuzumbura zoshto ngani ngono amdededs. Lisa ko babari because yalo amdededs. You understand? No, I'm just saying nasa konu fail ani ngono amdededs.
Uri ninga ko rifera ka starcha Venda we tinde ndiyamdiba.
Ah, no hangwana zori miya. Obasa fail, aje fail.
No, asa fail.
Asa fail, no why ndishika ngombule. Ako fail.
No, asa fail. Why you don't have this?
Oh, ndingori nakufunga msa ko fail ngizi class nzabe. That is division.
Oh, ita jana na beyu. Oh, that's General Roth.
The mango fail. Odo umamra.
Hey, that did.
Yeah, the only baby will fail. I ran fit to move.
No, really, me affected this album.
Oh, but the video after July. Don't call me. But I'm just saying that it's boring, but I love it because itonga ingumuza this body works for me. Or irisumbeza uri even navane they come from like privileged homes, or we think they come from privileged homes. Their life is very basic. They're having a very normal life. So whatever we are living, we're actually doing well. We are like actually okay. We need to stop. We need to stop always just so grateful and not being content with what we have, because this is life and we just want so much. That's why we're ending up depressed and all that. This is life. There's no better than any other. So yeah, I love it because and most of them still stay at home. So una mutu ane ukufa depressed mara ono move out of home ono rona mingwa akuzura somewhere, it's probably a back room or whatever, but you're independent, you own your own bed. Those kids don't have anything bakazura ayani and whatever. So I don't know, man. I think you should go watch it. No, you know, and the next week we'll talk about it.
You got Showmax on Netflix.
Showmax. Netflix.
Oh. What's wrong with Netflix?
It's too big for that show.
Actually, just come with Netflix. Doesn't just take anything.
Showmax is the moja love of thing. Of whatever. Hey, you just take ujiwa mona unarine zwino around. Ikamini.
Uko very guy.
I'm not sure.
In a psychologist masiko. Very bad mumbule zeri hapo.
ndinani utsela ri khou bva kha mini mara u tou khou ḓo wo fhela mara u tou khou
fhela u tou lindelwa
ino pfanganya
nah I've got people
oh
man
yeah there are guys that were working then ba bona vha vha khou shoota vhaṅwe vhone vha ni ḓivha u tonga
yeah
wo na Lloyd na nyana
Lloyd ndi
there are two guys vha nga murahu
nṋe ndi ḓivha mpho kha vha khou shoota mpho
vha khou shoota ono ndo ḓuvha ḽithihi ngori yanga yo vha isini yo fhedzisela i khou tea u vha
na khou ita nthu
i khou tea u move
cancelling kha vhathu vha itaho
apparently it was the last scene ine it was the introduction to u khou ḓa number 2
u khou ḓa na part 2
yeah
damn
yeah. So I want to wait and see a thi zwe khou dropa
gai vhudzise ni ri ne masiko part abe ndo ni khatiwa part ya
ṋu skoro dze ndo i vhona go editiwa
oh okay so that's nice tia kuno
and the part yo pesa I risky but vakapfura necessary movie wo dala vari ari bisene part
of Netflix iri kare khate zwipida nyana
ati mind as long as vampanga kha next
okay so anything you want to say start to Vara no I don't have anything now just want to go rest
nothing much I just want to go to Venda bro I just want to go home
oh yeah so now I want to go to Venda I mean mbarabari kare
Venda relaxane
futhi
mara Royal Rikuya I want to go I want to experience Royal Gardens
nende kuti last thing from me to mbarabari zvino rine ripeni into zvikipa ndona zvimwe zvikipa chambarwa ngateri the big dude echonaka man
really no fit demands zanga dzihaya ngeka dzi comments ufindi na demands za Beyonce and I'm like guys ndive na demands za Hilda come on what are you guys saying who am I
no yes mara thing mara wakhambongoti ndobo zumlola mna chicommentary no man mara ndari serovizwa guy uzijajani
hoyu angazvijaja not me hoyu
mara naneso ndorari Fistos ari ndikonibidza danzura ka VIP ndidodara Fistos ndina mukona mamuna ati ndajena ndari ndina mpo ndajena ita ndichotoma machiusukori ndina savana vangana jadi ndikobera novala mu ndina vamwe vangana futhi ndikusukori navo vakunyangoza sara fya make sense
aniko azvifani ezvo zvinena
zvafana
here's the difference Fistos onibidza ini nari niko tododzura VIP hagaini chitungova ini ni VIP yavo so havelani if they want it for market already we've started it's work
Mara still,
now people are waiting for the lineup
which is
it's
cool.
A win-win
Mara here's the thing my chat ndiori ukote benefita vatu varikene your team just because you know Beyonce doesn't uri watone Beyonce yaninto jena not uri nini Beyonce
atiko hana mara uso nendina muthu aenda chimbira naye hoyo utoyojena ini na mtu aina chimbira zo 12 it was just a joke I was just no mara ini
ndiko comment based on 12
no demand is a Beyonce I think tin ndiko na rock ya magla for that I was just playing around but what I'm saying is nisongotendo nikuita chithu ni pfale ni chinga nikuitirwa favor
exactly
vari kutodana ti and ezvo zvamaglafu nami ndikuzokuamba why would I wear a long dress nende nezojiva guys also ndiye kunojiva so
oh mara na gospel in wajiva yeah so mara I get it man
again
nende gore kawe 20 nende tona tikiti okay ngopa tikiti timu yothe aripa thano dzo winisa zvingava zvi nice but if vatu vona tikiti ka black couch
imagine that would be nice that would be nice so winisa dzingava general no problem
okay the people who win a ticket guy ka black couch not ka
that would be nice
yeah so what else
nezvo zvadziroco ndikusikwamba ndikotododoro tafura isingova ya 5 year uyu aiamba ngori ndibhodhero liti ndobudzi surprise tag ndibhodhero liti yo 5000
ngai inobusa kanyi
kavati vavo ya last year
mitengo ichiko chincha zvino
ikovari
ubiyanga suzvi
ubiyanga mitengo ya buleru
mara guys are real got what was say after any other
zamoto safana dayo
on the demo
zamoto safana dayo
what is all swinge
buleru
not
ainge ni VIP abzwa zvirekiswe mandikorambotini ningori zviko chinja
ndinazo chimbirisana izvo ndozibona phana ari soko coupon kana soko that you could drink as until you die I don't mind because just find to die after tea
what I need to know saying
ndikonesa alwa namwa kuzvipa then also another thing auchena ari kovhara ti
I can't wait for the next video clock rikuti was off nyodo
nyasofa la vile clock
rikuti uri ri rasa vari dove
ini nefuna ripandisa pitu man
ari kopaneliwa
Fistos Valley also
ino roka palace leto
kada vhara wapfuna ana chipiri man palace ko jena guy apa ya Mizo yanga sika zvairana ndikuivhara
ndi ball bottom
ndimi
ball bottom
hey kada ndimi
ball bottom
oh wait sorry you're nah so record record riambe zvote uri fumini livhuya ḽi kone u wana u dzula zwi amba uri vhurukhu ha Mizo ndi a ḽa mashira a fumini a ḽa mashira
peplum
hai hu na ḽa mashira ane a ḓa hafhu na muṋamba ṱuwe thi na ḽa mimidi zwi amba uri Mizo tshi khou hanefhaḽa tsha tshi khou dia haḽani ane a ṱuwa uri ball gown
ball gown mara shira ḽi ḓi na tshibadzhi
vero ṱuwa
o khakha hanefhaḽa
guys
tshibadzhi